Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very, very impressive movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume, and gigantic volume, well above average. And, you know, the key thing here is that the price today did make a nice move. Now, I realize that from the highs, it has pulled back quite a bit. However, you got to keep things in perspective. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that just yesterday, on Tuesday, the price was, down here. Now the price is up around here. Sure, it's pulled back, but still, relatively speaking, it is higher than where it was. But all this does bring about the more than valid question of, okay, yeah, but is today's price movement, does it have any sort of genuine power behind it? Is there any sort of true strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 2.5 cents. Now, why is 2.5 cents important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about 2.5. Again, I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to 2.5 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of today. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas on the flip side of things, let's say the price came down here. However, the difference being price behaved like that before then starting to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress, again, being defined as 2.5 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance moving forward? Main level to watch going forward, you're going to be right up here at the 4 cent mark, which is essentially right where the price, generally speaking, got rejected from today. So watch that going forward. But really top priority, at least in my opinion, not necessarily breaking levels of resistance right now. It's all about going through a healthy consolidation and showing that this price can indeed start to make some signs of progress here. So let's see if the price can stay up above 2.5 cents or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.